Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone from your Facebook story. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. All you have to do is open up the Facebook app and here you can see I have posted the story. Just tap right here. After that, go to these three dots and here you can see added story privacy. Now you can private your story. If you don't want to public your Facebook story, just tap on the friends and tap on that save. Also, if you hide story from some of your friends, just simply tap here and select the friends here to whom you hide. For example, I want to block that person. I can simply tap here and this person will not be able to watch my story again. So this is how you can easily block someone to see your Facebook story. Hope you guys like my video.